Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the intro that you just saw at the beginning of this video. So first of all, you want to download 2 clips from YouTube, and I know that you see 3. The liquid transition I never ended up using because I didn't know how, so just ignore that. Don't download it unless you want to. But do download these next 2, and I'm also going to link them down below and show you guys how to download them. And yeah. So first of all, you want to copy the links, then go to YouTube MP3 converter, paste the links, change the option to MP4, click convert, and then click download. You also want to let Chrome use your storage, and once you click download, it's going to open another page. Don't worry about that, just close that page, go back to the YouTube converter, click download, and then it's going to download to your device. This is also virus free, so you don't have to worry about viruses. Also, don't forget to download the song that you want to use. I ended up downloading this one called Tired by Outdoors, and here's how it sounds. And I did the same thing here. I copied the link, pasted it into YouTube MP3. But I kept it at MP3 because it's a music file. The program I'm going to be using is KineMaster. So go to KineMaster, start a new project, choose 16:9 ratio, and then put in all the files that you have downloaded. I didn't want the CCP video loading thingy be black, so I made it like yellow. This took me a while to figure out how to do, but all you have to do is go to media and add a color board, and then you just stretch out the color over the file that you're going to be coloring, and then you bring down the opacity so you can have the thing that you're trying to make a different color show through. Yeah, anyways, you guys will see what I do. Here I'm simply just taking a color board and messing with the colors a little bit and choosing the color that I want my name to appear on. And you do that by clicking the little like color spot by the scissors. Once you click on the color board, you can see it right there. And by clicking on it, you can change the color of the color board to any color you want. So I first chose purple. I didn't really like it, so I don't know, I just kept messing with the colors until I got this pastel yellow one. So KineMaster doesn't have any really cool transitions, so I chose the zoom in and zoom out transition. Okay, so now I'm moving on to my favorite part, which is the overlays. So this is the video that we downloaded, and all you have to do is cut out the part of the overlay that you want to use, and then you just chroma key it, and it's really easy, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So in order to chroma key the file that you want, select the file. It has to be in the overlay section, and then select chroma key. enable, and then go to the key color and make the key color obviously green. And that is how you chroma key. Super easy. You can also mess with these two options and they're going to make the chroma key even better. Once you're done with that, go to layer and then text and then write your username. I like to make mine with a big text outline so then it looks bubbly. And I also like the font called Luna, and you probably won't see it in your fonts. You have to go to the store of KineMaster and download it. All the fonts are free, so you can get more fonts for free. Also, if you're wondering, the overall animation I used is called squishing, and it kind of looks laggy, but this is because it's a preview. Once you export it, it's much smoother. That was basically my last edit. Here I just gave finishing touches, added the audio, and made it shorter because I ended up having to cut it a lot because it was like 10 seconds and I only wanted like 5 seconds. So I will show you guys what the output looks like. Also, when you export it, unless you don't have a lot of storage on your phone or tablet, I suggest choosing the highest resolution because it's just gonna make the intro look much nicer.